Hi guys, just gonna show you a quick tour of my cabin on the Carnival celebration. Room number 15419. I'll show you outside. So this is outside your cabin. Okay. There's a peephole if you need it. And obviously to open or turn the lights on, you have to stick your room key in and press that button to turn your air on. If you don't, it won't go on. So, you have your light switches here if you need them. You do have your little helpful guide in case you get lost or want to see where the ship is. As it shows we're in the stick out portion. So it's not a larger cabin or anything, but nicer area. This cabin is an 8G stateroom. In case you're wondering, you have a safe in here, some drawers to store stuff, a ladder it looks like. I don't know why you need a ladder, but you have a ladder. You have more storage and a mirror to check yourself out before you go on the deck. Let me take in the bathroom real quick. In the bathroom, you have everything you could probably need. A toilet, some towels, and be careful stepping up here, it feels funny. You have a mirror, soap, your shower. Love how the shower slides out. It's kind of cool. It's not almost like a rainfall, but it's not. It has the shampoo, the shower gel, same towels, toilet paper, and extra toilet paper. Looks like this is a used roll. Not good. Figured they'd put a fresh roll. And your towels. Just beware of your step walking in and out of this bathroom, because if you don't, you're gonna fall. You do have a little snooze button or snooze sign for your door if you want privacy. As you come into the bedroom, we have this set up as a king size bed. You can have it set up as a 2-bed, 1-bed, or the 2 beds or the 1 king size. We chose the king size setup. You have a choose fun mat. I think this is for your luggage when it arrives. So I have postcards to deliver. I'm gonna start today with the ones on this floor, but I can't do it until I get the bags. Sorry about that. I got cut off by a phone call. Not happy about that. So that's the king size bed. You have some light switches on the left, right, or those are little night lamps. If you need them, little shelves to put your phone. I guess there's a TV. It's not 55 inches. Maybe it's 42 inches. It's not super huge. You have a little wall here of not much. You have another couch that pulls down to 1 bed. 1 full size, I think. Or twin, I'm not sure. 1 that pulls down from the ceiling. Your seashells. You have your plugs, USB ports, your light. Let me turn that on, because it's not on. It's beautiful. But you have drawers here to store stuff. The hair dryer is in the bottom drawer here, where my foot is. You have a mini bar, not a fridge, so you can't store your stuff in there, you'll get a fine. You have water. You're good to know. Where they suggest you wear face masks. Nope. You've got pens, a pad, your TV remote for the TV. Does it say? I thought it said film board. And the best part of this room, the balcony. So you just slide the door open, slide it open, out you go. Now some of these balconies, this might be one of them, has the connecting option. I don't think this one is. But as you can see, the view of Miami, because we haven't left port yet. Chair 1, chair 2, and back in the cruise ship. Room we go. Now keep in mind when the air is, the air will shut off, supposedly, if you have done like this. And we can close the cabin. By the way, if you're gonna be at a cabin all day and you want to keep the room more cool, I should say, easiest way to do it is close that door. Now, I don't know if I mentioned this, you have water and glasses here. I think you can use the glasses, don't use the water. You pay for it, which is not good. And it says at night to keep the curtains closed for navigation safety, but I'm not too sure if you'll get in trouble if they catch it on. Let me just see with these lights. Oh, see? And there's a light behind the headboard just to make it look nice. So here you have it, folks. An 8G balcony on the Carnival celebration. Take care.